Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on Screen Refresh Rate. Then click on the best option for you. Auto-select High or Standard. I will go with High, so when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!